It's time to start a revolution. Now, before you sue me for inciting a riot, not that kind of revolution, a small business revolution. And what do I mean by this? A revolution is really just a changing of the status quo or turning around in the opposite direction. And that is exactly what's needed. Small business owners are the backbone of our economy in the United States, but also predominantly across the world. And why is it that small business owners and entrepreneurs are the hardest working, they work the most hours, they provide the best services, and they get paid the least? Statistically speaking, if you performed your duties as a small business owner in any job as a W-2 employee, you'd probably get paid 2 to 3 times more because you do so much. Well, it's time to flip the script. It is time for the revolution. I'm tired of the gurus claiming to be the end-all be-all and to get you what you want in business. They're lying to you. They're focused so narrowly on what has worked for them, and they don't have universal principles about what work in business. And that is what I'm here to give you. I have what works foundationally in all businesses. It is a structure and a system that can take you from where you are to that next level, not by working more, but by working less. Let's all be more efficient, and let's start the revolution of small business owners winning at the expense of the big businesses. Stop letting them step on us. Let's go the other way. Let's make more, work less, and have a bigger impact and chase our dreams. Let's do it together.